Hey guys, today I'm making a very interesting recipe from the book Charlston Receipts. My beautiful sister-in-law gave me this book and I was going through the book, and this spiced pickle shrimp, it just sounded very interesting and intrigued. So I was like, let's make it. So they asked for 2 pounds of cooked shrimp. I don't like kind of boiled cooked shrimp. I poached it. So as soon as you put in the boiling water, and as soon as it becomes pink, you take it out and give some ice bath. Okay, so it says to layer in the crock. So I'm using a dish. So layering the shrimp, and they ask for a lot of onions, like six small onions. So for half a portion would be 3 small onions. It still sounds a lot. So I have here 2 large onions. Well, I don't know, it seems like it's gonna be covered fully, but we'll see. We'll see. It's a lot of onions. Maybe I should put even under. Yeah, let's put even under because it's a lot of onions. So it says layer boiled shrimp, then it says 5 bay leaves to a layer. So I have here from my garden fresh ones. I would put maybe 3, I would say. I don't know, they didn't say if it should be dried or fresh, so I'm using fresh. So okay, cover, layer those, more shrimp, more onions. That's a lot of onions, and more bay leaves. So this recipe calls for tarragon vinegar. That was very intriguing to me. Like tarragon vinegar, I have never had it before. So I ordered on Amazon, and I actually really liked it to use in my salads. If you know where to use in more dishes tarragon vinegar, let me know. All right, so last layer of shrimp. Last layer of shrimp and more onions. More onions. I probably won't even use all of it. It's just like too much. Okay. Then it says make a French dressing from the spices and all other ingredients. So all other ingredients are olive oil, tarragon vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, or whatever you call it, sugar, salt, and they ask for dried mustard. I wasn't sure, is that powder or seeds? I have seeds, so I'm using seeds. And they say a handful of pickling spices, so half of a handful, because we're making half a portion. Move my whisk. It's delicious. Oh, it would be good on the salad. I love tarragon vinegar. It's really, really spicy. So, and it says just to pour over and leave for 24 hours, mixing time to time. So I'll see you in 24 hours. I'm gonna be covering it, and it's going to go in the refrigerator. And I'll see you in 24 hours, and we're gonna try what it is, how it tastes. We'll see. It's been 24 hours, and let's open up and see how it tastes. I was mixing up time to time, and I noticed that onions have wilted like a lot, and the texture of the shrimp, you can tell it's like firm. So let's give it a try and see how it tastes. It's very different shrimp what I have used to, but it's actually really delicious. When you prepare your mind that it's going to be pickled, so it's really good. I actually really like it. So give it a try, and I hope you're gonna like it as much as we do.